Look, there's more to Arizona than just sunshine and cactus. And today we're covering the 10 biggest reasons people are packing up and moving to the Phoenix area. I've helped a lot of families buy and finance homes here in the Valley, and I hear the same stories over and over. People leaving California, the Midwest, the Northeast, and even other Sun Belt cities, because Phoenix just makes more sense for their lifestyle and their money. So let's dive in. Number 10, housing that still makes sense. The median home price in the greater Phoenix area is sitting somewhere in the low to mid $400,000, depending on the exact city and data source. Compare that to California, where the median is often north of $750,000 or even $800,000 in many markets. People sell a $1 million home on the coast, come here, buy something nicer, and still pocket equity. And because the Valley is so big, you have options from affordable edges to Scottsdale and Paradise Valley. Number 9, tax advantages. Arizona has a flat 2.5% state income tax. That's one of the lowest in the country. Compare that to California's top rate over 13%, and the difference is massive, especially for higher earners. There's also no state estate or inheritance tax, and property taxes are generally more reasonable here. Number 8, cost of living. It's still dramatically more affordable than the coastal markets most people are leaving. Everyday expenses, housing, groceries, transportation, stretch further here than in California or New York. You can actually maintain a comfortable lifestyle without feeling like every paycheck is already spent. Number 7, job opportunities and growth. Phoenix has been one of the strongest job markets in the country. We're seeing major growth in semiconductors, healthcare, finance, tech, and logistics. Big companies keep relocating here. Number 6, the weather. Yes, summers are hot, but the rest of the year, it's pretty hard to beat. We get over 300 sunny days. Winters are mild daytime highs in the 60s and 70s, while half the country is buried in snow. A lot of people say the outdoor lifestyle year-round is one of the biggest quality of life upgrades they've ever made. Number 5, family-friendly communities. The Valley has excellent suburban areas like Gilbert, Chandler, and Queen Creek. You'll find strong school districts, parks, sports, and communities designed specifically for kids and families. Number 4, you can still find space. Unlike built-out metros, the Valley still has room to grow. Master plan communities and larger lots are still available, especially as you move toward the edges of the metro. Number 3, safety in the right areas. Many of the suburban cities around Phoenix rank very well for safety. Buyers who do their homework feel confident raising kids and living day-to-day without constant worry. Number 2, diversity and culture. Phoenix has become a real melting pot with strong influences from across the U.S. You'll find great food and a mix of cultures that keeps the city interesting, and it's why so many people stay. Number 1, there's always something to do. Hiking, golf, spring training baseball, and professional sports. Plus, national parks like the Grand Canyon and Sedona are within a few hours. Phoenix genuinely delivers. If you're thinking about making the jump, the smartest thing you can do is get clear on your budget and lifestyle. That's exactly what my team and I help people figure out. We look at the real numbers and the neighborhoods. If you want help narrowing it down, reach out. I'd love to help you make a smart move to Phoenix. See you soon.